Right now, you guys, we are sewing clothes, so that is what's going on. We are sewing some clothes. Guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just gonna watch some Bandit shows on YouTube because Bandit episodes are really on YouTube are really cool. I love watching abandoned things. Yeah. Well, I'm waiting for just waiting for people to respawn back. So, that is what's going on. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. So right now, you guys, I'm gonna be playing some Overcook. So that is what's going on, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs and grab something to eat because I'm starving a little bit. So let's go upstairs and grab something to eat because I'm starving while I'm waiting for Overcooked to play. So that is what's going on, you guys. I'm getting some food. So I'm going to see what's in the fridge. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this episode, guys. Do give it a big thumbs up.